Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 18 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and safety inspection. Step 18 is a supply and return duct system air loss audit. What this means is that the guys are going to come into the house, they're going to crawl underneath the home, crawl into the attic, and get to all the ductwork and all the tubes that move the air around in your house. You got to imagine that your furnace and your cooling coil are like your heart, and the ductwork that's underneath the home or in the attic is like the veins carrying the blood around throughout your whole body. If something's wrong with your veins, you could have a heart attack, right? We don't want to cause the equipment to have a heart attack, so we want to make sure all the equipment is doing what it's supposed to. We don't want the ductwork to have any kinks, any kind of disconnections, smashed by the cable guy or whoever's been underneath your house, maybe a termite guy. We want to go through and make sure that all that stuff is free to move air, and we also want to make sure that you're not losing a ton of an air with any kind of disconnections. Title 24 actually states that the average home in the state of California has a 30% air loss of conditioned air to an unconditioned space, which means all the air you're making here, 30% of it could be lost under your home or into your attic, which means you could be overpaying on your utility bill by 30%. We don't want that to happen, so we're going to go through and audit all of that so that you can have a full understanding of how the arteries of your system are looking. So please, get your tune-up done. It's a cheap, inexpensive way to get things moving, find out how your house is performing, how your equipment's performing, and then follow it up with a really good maintenance program. See you on the next video.